Hello everyone, grab a strip of hair from the left and split them into 3 parts and start braiding it in a medium thickness manner. So once when you complete the braid, have the braids end secure with the rubber band. Then after completing that, grab another section of the hair and make 3 times the braid. Then after completing the 3 braids, move it to the right side and have it attached to a strip of hair on the right in an alternative manner. Then with that hair along with the remaining section at the bottom, split them into 3 parts and have it braided in a very thicker manner. So once when you complete the braid, have the braids end secure with the rubber band and move the braid into a clockwise manner and have it in a swirl of bun and have it secure underneath with a hairpin. Grab the top section of the hair and divide it into 3 parts and have it braided in a thicker manner and do the braid until the bottom section. Then have another section of the hair from the sides and make it crisscross each other and have a knot and have a rubber band securing it. Then grab a strip of hair from the right side after splitting the middle tail into 2 and have it braided. So once when you start braiding it, don't forget to borrow the hair from the right tail we had at the center. Then continue the braiding until the bottom middle part. Then grab the left section of the hair, divide it into 3 parts and braid it. And also don't forget to borrow the hair from the left section again. Then continue the braiding and have it secure with the rubber band and drop in your favorite hair clutcher. Grab a strip of hair from the left and split them into 3 parts and have it braided in a thicker manner. So once when you start braiding it, pinch out the top side to make the loopy design and braid it until you reach the bottom middle part. Then after that, grab even more sections of the hair from the left and make the braid 3 times. Then have the braid go to the right side and attach it to a strip of hair on the right in an alternative manner and drop in your favorite hair clutcher. Get the sides of your hair, tie the middle of the rubber band and bring the tail to the top from inward and have it secured there by having a stiffy design. And have another section of the hair right below it and do the same design again. It should look like a cobra. So do continue doing the cobra design until you reach the bottom of the hair and also on the ponytail as well. Then with the remaining hair at the bottom, split them into 3 parts and have it braided. Then roll the braid into the half and have it secure underneath the bun. Make a ponytail on the top section of the hair and drop it inside its own loop, creating a twisted pattern. Then have a rubber band attach the top middle part, create a loop in the middle one, and drop the tail into it. Drop the entire tail going to the first loop we created, having as a heart and shape. Then extend the heart in for more volume. Then with the remaining section of the hair right at the bottom, split them into 3 parts and braid it in a thicker manner. Then fold the braid and make it to the middle of the heart and shape and secure it there by having hairpins. Get the sides of your hair tied in the middle of the rubber band and drop it inside going for the twisted band. We saw that coming. Then have another ponytail at the bottom section of the hair and have a rubber band attached to the middle part. Then with the remaining section of the hair at the bottom, split them into 3 parts and start braiding it. So once when you complete the braid, secure the braid then with the rubber band and drop the braid into the middle one we created. Then have the braid folded corresponding to the middle part side and move it to the top and secure with the hairpin. Grab a strip of hair from the left and make it to 2 parts and have it braided in a thicker manner. So once when you do the braiding in the middle way, don't forget to pinch out the braids to the maximum as you could for the loose design. Then have it secure with the strip of hair on the right and drop it inside the loop. And have the same section of the hair into 2 parts and have it braided in the same way as I did before. Then also don't forget to pinch out the braids to the maximum and have it as a loopy design. Then have it secure on the left side and do it the same way. Grab a section of the hair from the sides and have it crisscross each other and drop the left one into the middle one and have it tighten a little bit and have it secure with the rubber band on the left side. And grab another section of the hair and make it into an X manner and tie it and make it to the same way. Thank you guys for watching this video.